So today I'll be showing you how to remove red eyes from photos on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So let's say you took a selfie or a different kind of photo and you find that your eyes are a little red and you want to do something about that. Okay, so what you can do is just tap on the edit icon, and in the editor tap on the four dot button here at the end. Tap on that, and that's going to give you some options. So in the options, select face effects, tap on that, and then now you can scroll all the way and find fix red eye. Okay, so tap on that, and then if you tap on the red eye like that and the other red eye like that, it's going to try and fix the red eye problem. So tap on it again and again and again and again, and then tap on done. Okay, now if you have a look at what you've created, there's slightly less red eyes. Okay, and then now you can tap on save, and you can see the picture has slightly less red eyes. Okay, and you can do that for photos where you have specifically reflection red eyes, which makes photos look weird, and that's how you can remove the red eye from specific photos on your Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.